it's Bernice here again. Today I'm going to be showing you my experiment. On the previous video I showed you my hypothesis and what I thought about the experiment. So I actually did the experiment. It took me a week to do it. And I'm going to go ahead and show you step by step on how I did the experiment, on how do roots grow when the direction of gravity changes. I hope you like it. In this experiment, the independent variable is the direction of the plants because I will be rotating them. The dependent variable is the plant growth, as you will see later in this video. I'll go ahead and put how long each of the plant grew. The control is the plastic baggies, the napkin with water, and radish seeds, and also the baggies that contain the seeds numbered in 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those baggies are also controlled because they do not move. The only baggies that I do move are 5 and 6. Here I have my materials. This is the measuring tape, and this is the string I'm going to be using to help measure the plant growth. I have the radish seeds here. I have construction paper to put the plants and the centimeters of the growth, the napkin that I'm going to be using, and the water that I'm going to put in the napkin for the radish seeds, a permanent marker, the plastic baggies, and a box. So now I'm going to go ahead and prepare the sandwiches. So I have my napkin. It's moist with water, and then I'm gonna put the 4 radish seeds separately here in the middle. Then I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it and put it inside the bag. As you can see, I have my 6 seed sandwiches bags ready for the experiment. Okay, and now I'm just labeling my bags. It's gonna be up, down, left, and right, and then there's these dots just to check on the degree that the root grows. I'm gonna show you the progress of the plants for each bag. Here is number 1 and number 2. These are the measurements of each plant that were in those bags. As you can see, they are growing towards the direction of gravity. Then we have 3 and 4. Those are the measurements. And 5 and 6 are the baggies that I was rotating, and that's why the plants are the most curved ones, because as I was moving and rotating the plant, they were growing towards the direction of gravity, and that's why they are so curved. So this is the bar graph I created. There is the days divided, and then it's also by the number of bags, which I had 6. So on day 1 and day 5, they are the same, but day 1 there's nothing because since day 1 there was no growth. That was the day I prepared everything, and then it's just started growing until day 5. So here are the baggies. What I did is that every baggie had 4 seeds. So what I did is I took the average of measurement of those seeds, and I created this this graph. The bags 5 and 6 were the ones that I was rotating to see how it would affect gravity, gravity would affect the growth of the plants. And then so on 5 and 6, these plants were the ones that had the most curved roots, because as I was rotating them, somehow the roots would still come out would still grow towards the direction of gravity. So they're the most curved ones, while the other ones are also curved but not as much as the ones I was rotating. My conclusion is that no matter how you place the plants, the roots are still going to be growing towards the direction of gravity, just like the baggies that I had, which were 5 and 6. I was rotating them every 2 days and they still kept growing towards the direction of gravity. My hypothesis was that they were going to grow towards the direction of gravity longer. However, on this experiment, the plants that were being rotated still had the same average of length than those baggies that were kept in the same direction of gravity. So for next time, I would definitely love to use different plants, different seeds, maybe combining them in the baggies, and maybe even keeping the experiment longer, maybe like a month, so I could see the difference and I could see the length of the roots and how they continue to curve as they grow. Thank you for watching.